everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked awesome 1983. This is the Oldsmobile Hurst 15th Anniversary Edition. Killer car, guys. 80,000 original miles. This car has been loved and kept very nice. Factory paint scheme. It's the two-tone, the black on the top with the silver on the bottom. I think all the black paint is actually original on this car. I think some of the silver has actually been redone. But this is a sweetheart, man. Great car. They built 3,000 in one of these cars. They were very limited production. I actually sold several of these cars back in the 90s. Very iconic look. I think these are great looking cars. Of course, they got the very cool lightning rod shifters in them. Love the wheel and tire package that came on them. And they're good cars. They run and drive just as sweet as can be. They're not super fast. They got a 307 HO. But they're not super fast cars. But they really drive out nice. As you can kind of see it, like I say, I don't want to nitpick the paint, but if you look, there's, you can tell that this paint's original. You get towards the edges, there's some little marks on it. I don't want to pick it apart because it's beautiful, it's gorgeous. But there's definitely a few blemishes that you can pick at on the car. Go ahead, Nathan, Good, solid, straight body. Again, here's a couple little touch-up marks that they've done. This is one thing I love about this car. It's got the optional dark maple vinyl interior instead of that cloth. That cloth just didn't hold up well. This is way nicer interior, in my opinion, than the cloth option. Rear defog. Of course, this is the factory rear spoiler. You can see those decals are original. Look how nice this thing is down the sides. Of course, it would have came originally with Goodyears. These are BF Goodrich Radial T's that he's got on it. He's also upgraded the exhaust. It's got a Flowmaster dual exhaust, so it's got a little better sound. There's a couple little things we've got left to do to this car. We're just getting behind. I'm not getting anything advertised, and then people are getting upset because the cars are getting sold before we actually get them advertised. But so there's a couple little things we got left to do to this. I'll show you what it is. Love the wheels. These are the factory 15-inch chrome wheels. Slick paint. This thing is nice down the sides. Okay, factory 307 HO they called it. Again, they're not super fast with the V8 engine, 4-barrel, stock intake, stock exhaust manifolds. You're going to see we've got some stuff marked here, and the cruise control unit is out of the car. The original cruise control unit was acting up. Got a rebuilt one. They don't have new ones. Got a rebuilt one on the way. We'll make sure that because the cruise does function. It was just acting up. So. Previous owner actually sent me the part that we needed, so we did that. We got that. We do have to charge the air. It'll kick on, but it's not blowing super cold, so we'll charge the air. It's got the original smog pump on it. He took the belt off. I'm not going to put that back on either. All that does is rob horsepower. These are original 700 R4 automatic overdrive transmissions, power steering, power disc brakes, and again, factory air. Clean as can be. Just a nice, nice car. You can see the paint slick. I love this body style. I just think they're great cars. And again, they just have such a cool look. You can see how nice the dash is in there. Somebody's loved this car. Somebody's kept this car really nice. Dual sport mirrors. These are both remote mirrors. Again, original door handles. This stuff's all original here. You can see the door seams are nice and clean. Loaded up with options. Power windows, power locks. It's got dual remote mirrors. And you can see how nice the interior is. This stuff just held up so much better. Look how nice. It doesn't look like anybody's ever sat in the back seat. Headliner looks great. Again, those iconic Hurst lightning rod shifters, and they work, they function. Cruise control, like I say, we'll make sure that that's working. There's your original steering wheel, tilt, rear defog, factory tach engages, that all functions. 80,830 on your odometer. You can see the original clock works. Original AC or Delco am-fm-cassette radio is in it. It is again, they've upgraded to Flowmaster dual exhaust, stock rear axle. These cars had a handling package that included a 373 limited slip rear axle, front and rear sway bars. And again, look at all the little cracks and crevices. You can see how nice that car is. Jack with spares in here. This is pretty cool. This is just the specs on this car, or on these cars, and of course your original Olds cassette tape that came with it. Everything opens and closes really nice. Fit and finish is really nice on the car. Like I said, I think this car's lived a very easy life. I don't think anybody's ever been beaten on this car. When you see the photos of the bottom, you're gonna see how nice and clean the floors are. Again, you look in the door jambs, this car's just nice. Great car. Even this stuff, I mean, you can see how nice that dash is. Good car. Good anything. I think I said it, we got a chargey air yet. Again, it does kick on. I don't think that was a car, that was a truck coming by. I think a big old loud noise. The car just runs and drives just as sweet as can be, man. Good car. Again, don't think they're rocket ships. They're not fast. I don't think anything in the 80s was very fast. That works. Gauges are all functioning. You can see it's holding great oil pressure. Like I say, even the clock over there works. Power windows, they work. Flash. Good car, man. Just a good car.
Finding great
radio works. Blower motor works. And everything opens and closes nice. Oh, we might have a lug out over here, no? Maybe I missed it. I thought maybe a little marker light was out. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us. Look at that car, man. Great looking cars. Have a great day, guys.